Let's bring in somebody who knows what he's talking about in this area, and that will be Scott Shellady, joining us from London. Scott, I would expect the price of gas to keep on falling. What say you?
Well, it would take something pretty tremendous to get gas to rally right now. Think about it. We've got some Middle East tensions with the Saudis. We've got Hurricane Cindy bearing down on Refinery Row. And we had OPEC try to manufacture two big rallies, and we just can't hold on to it. So it would have to be something big. This tells me we're going to continue the slow grind lower until something shocks the oil market out of its doldrums. Right now, I don't know if $30 is in the crosshairs, but definitely $40 is, and we'll see what happens after there.
Yeah, you don't think there might be a sudden break below 40? I mean, it's a very touch-and-go thing at the moment, the oil market.
Yeah, it is, but you know, theoretically speaking, as you get closer to zero, and I'm not saying we're ever going to zero, it's going to get harder to trade lower. That's just because of the demand and what we've got trading down there. You're not going to be able to see the market flush when we get this low. So it'll be a slow grind lower. I think that's going to be, the case because we just don't have any reasons to really get the market going because we've given it all the reason. And the one thing I don't like about it at all, Stuart, is we've tried to manufacture two rallies in oil with OPEC dropping production. And you know what? You just can't make the girl fall in love with you, right? It has to happen naturally, and it doesn't work in oil, and it doesn't work in love.
Well, there was a wonderful analogy there, Scott. It really was a good one. One last comment from you, please. I think that at least a half dozen states in America will have an average price for regular of $2 or below by the end of this month. There's one state got it below $2 at the moment. That's South Carolina at $1.96. What chance that I'm right?
I think it's probably an 85% chance you're right. I think that's going to be the path of least resistance right now. We've proven we can't rally crude oil, so why would we see anything different in gasoline? So I think you're about an 85% chance of being right, outside of some odd event that really kind of spikes in oil.
All right.